19 children and others, they don't rescue them. Police people rescue them from what did they call it, human trafficking. And this one happened for Edo. And according to the Edo State Police Command, in collaboration with some vigilante, they say vigilante people too help solve a bit discover this matter. Omo, if you not see where they park these people, Charlie. See children, see people, children, how they look like. Waiting, I don't even know. Group of human trafficking people. Now they can, if they go from one house to another house, state from state to state. And you know what they go to tell them? They go tell them say the government won't give you people financial support, single mothers, especially if you get twins. I never see before. Government, they help. Now so these women too go believe, oh, they go study. Now so they go give them children, give them. They go come carry the children, for morning time, return them back in the afternoon. They go contact them, say no, the government is checking their health. No, say that they carry them go beg for money for road. I beg because I don't bring. I want me to listen to one or two of the mothers who, as they talk. I don't know whether the mothers, I be parents, I be guardians, anyone. I want me to listen to them as they yarn this matter by themselves. Join me, make we watch the video.
I no go road. I no beg money. Na house we keep me. I say what I give give my children. They say go help.
Me I dey my village as I dey born these two children for our church. And where our people snap the children for the church where I born. In snap the children, post for Facebook, they write my number. The woman see my number and the picture of the pikin for that Facebook. Now they come on my number, call me, say whether I need.
One woman took me to this Bini and she confused us that now government people is looking for those girls that's born at home who don't have parents. So she now took us to this Bini. So every morning she took the children out from our hands, start telling us that government want to check whether they are healthy or something else. When they move out in the morning, they will not come back around that kind 12 to 1.
At the time of this report, the police high command say they have commenced an aggressive manhunt fleeing principal suspect, Mrs. Jennifer Wellington Hakodeja, reporting that the operator of the center, Mrs. Jennifer, who is now at large, collects babies from their indigent parents from different states for the purpose of raising money through begging in streets of Benin, and described the action as criminal.
The information we receive is that there is a baby factory somewhere at Ewotubu. The vigilante, we ask them to look for information and we can succeed in getting this place. They discovered the place, they went there and they were able to arrest them. When they came, they have to be taken to the hospital and kept and be taken care of.
Una carry people, children, use them, they beg for money. So last, if we dey talk about job, some people go also they talk. See the kind of job now where people don't take upon themselves, say they go they do. If I dey hear matters like this, I just dey weak. I know they get straight for this kind of matter. Parents go leave their children for school. Yes, now some schools too they do. They go collaborate, they go collaborate with the people. Carry the children, go. When they finish, they go return the parents too. Una go come pick una children, thinking say, the school was good today. And you know, say they be children. Some of them said they don't even fit talk. Now, why I always they talk this thing? As a parent, no, they too busy. Where to the point where you never even feel take care of your pikin. You never even feel, you understand? No, they too busy because things they happen. No, things they happen. All these small children, one that they see for road, they beg. They not be waiting. They suppose they do. Some of them say don't even know waiting they do for that place. Person carry them. Just imagine say they no catch this one. And the madam of this one I just watch, she dey on a run. They still they chase something now. They never catch her. Imagine. No, imagine the number of children we don't go through this kind of thing. Just imagine now. Some of them say maybe their parents rich. They get money. just go for road. No, make some of una they take this thing very lightly. Until you go dey drive for road one day with your car, you go see your pikin for road. You go dey wonder, what are you ahead? Now that time you go not say wetin they do for there. Things they happen, make una shine una eyes. And some people now their mindset be that to just they give people pain and sorrow for this life. Shine una eyes, very, very important. You see all these punishment where they give people where they commit crimes. Human trafficking, they suppose collect the highest punishment. In fact, I not just know. After raping, now these people. After raping children, now these people, they suppose collect. Because I not just understand you. And some of them even get their own children. No, they go live there. You go come carry another people's pikin. You go. See, may they start the search from house to house because many of these children still they miss. State to state, make una start dey go. Ask the people because some women you see them with children, not be their children. So ask them questions. Show me date or birth certificate. Show me serious investigation needs to start dey go on because some people they don't they miss for how many years now. Till today they still they find them, they never see them. They do some of them don't even grow finish. Believing saying that their family be that. Meanwhile their real parents they find them. So I bet make we learn to sharp your eye. I not just know. It be like say last said we go stop the go school. Yes, so because we know which place they safe now. Police station they go rape you. Problem go happen. School they go kidnap you. You go work. Problem and like I not just know where we even want. Even some churches now safe no still they safe. Where we want go now? What do we even want do? As it be now, the only option are to shine on an eye. The only option are to shine. Seriously, be your child's keeper, be your neighbor's keeper, just shine your eyes. But now they find this woman, and according to matter where they tell us, they say once they find them, they go let us know, and for here una go still know what be the punishment. But me, I don't already talk my own. May they give her the highest one. I don't even know which kind of punishment be the highest one. But I bet I know 1 year, 2 years imprisonment or this one. May they give her something when people hear her, they go not see yes, they don't pass judgment. Very, very important. If not, this woman they go release her, he go still go continue and do worse than this one. Very, very important. So I bet my people, make you help me share this video so that everybody go know waiting they happen now. Because some people they take business very, very serious. And subscribe if you never subscribe so that you know go they miss any interesting matter like this. And why not? I still want to know what you think concerning this matter. Drop off for that comment section. Stay tuned for our next story.